10 superfoods to increase metabolism. Are you looking to boost your metabolism and burn more calories daily? What if the foods you eat daily could help you burn more calories and boost your energy levels naturally? In this video, we're uncovering 10 superfoods that might just be the key to unlocking your body's fat-burning potential. Are you eating the right foods to keep your metabolism in high gear? Let's find out. 1. Chili peppers. First up, we have chili peppers. These spicy gems contain capsaicin, a compound that can increase your body's heat production and metabolic rate. Studies suggest that capsaicin can help reduce body weight and improve overall health. Some studies report similar benefits with doses as low as 6 to 10 milligrams per day, equivalent to 1 jalapeno pepper. Capsaicin may also have appetite-reducing properties, with a 2014 review showing that consuming at least 2 milligrams of capsaicin before each meal reduces calorie consumption, especially from carbs. Adding cayenne pepper to a meal may increase fat burning for energy, but this may only apply to people unaccustomed to spicy foods. The research also suggests that capsaicin can contribute to weight management in other ways by increasing the speed at which the body burns fat and reducing appetite. This builds on existing research published in 2012, which indicates that capsaicin helps the body burn approximately 50 extra calories each day. Capsaicin may also reduce pain and inflammation, act as an anti-cancer agent, and provide antioxidant benefits. As a result, some researchers suggest that the compound may help treat conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis and Alzheimer's disease. 2. Protein-rich foods. Protein-rich foods can boost metabolism by increasing the thermic effects of food, TEF, or diet-induced thermogenesis, by requiring more energy for digestion. This effect is most pronounced in protein-rich foods, which can increase metabolic rate by 15 to 30%, compared to 5 to 10% for carbohydrates and 0 to 3% for fats. High-protein foods include lean meat, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Protein-rich diets also help maintain muscle mass during weight loss, reducing the drop in metabolism. Additionally, protein can help maintain fullness for longer, preventing overeating. Eggs are rich in protein, with each large, hard-boiled egg containing 6.29 grams, making them an ideal choice for people who want to speed up their metabolism. According to some research, people who consumed 29% of their total daily calories as protein had a higher metabolic rate than those who consumed 11% of total calories from protein. Lentils also increase metabolism because they are rich in protein. They also contain good amounts of fiber to feed beneficial bacteria in the gut. 3. Coffee. Could your morning coffee help boost your metabolism? You can thank the caffeine for more than just your get up and go. Studies have found that caffeine can boost your metabolism by 3 to 4%. It also aids in burning fat for energy, particularly in boosting workout performance. However, its effects may vary based on individual characteristics like body weight and age. It is essential to be mindful of total consumption. Decaffeinated coffee does not have the same metabolism-boosting benefits. Also, adding cream or sugar will increase its calorie content, which may work against the caffeine's beneficial effects on metabolism. 4. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are one of the richest sources of selenium, a mineral that is essential for metabolism, reproduction, and immune function. They also contain protein and healthy fats to make people feel fuller. Selenium is especially important for the thyroid gland, a gland that regulates metabolic function and produces several vital hormones. Research shows that a diet too low in iron or selenium may reduce your thyroid's ability to produce sufficient amounts of hormones, which could slow down your metabolism. To help your thyroid function to the best of its ability, include foods rich in selenium and iron, like meat, seafood, legumes, nuts, and seeds, in your daily menu. According to the National Institutes of Health, each Brazil nut provides 68 to 91 micrograms of selenium, which is more than the recommended dietary allowance of 55 micrograms per day. People should avoid eating too many nuts, however, as this can cause selenium toxicity. The National Institute of Health set upper limits of selenium intake at 400 micrograms. Research also suggests that Brazil nuts can improve the cholesterol levels of healthy people, as abnormal cholesterol levels are a marker of metabolic syndrome. 5. Ginger. Ginger and related spices have metabolism-boosting properties, potentially aiding in weight management, obesity prevention, and energy metabolism. It can boost body temperature, metabolic rate, and control appetite. A 2018 review found that ginger can help reduce body weight and fasting glucose levels while increasing high-density lipoprotein cholesterol. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, potentially reducing nausea during pregnancy and after chemotherapy treatment. Drinking 2 grams of ginger powder with a meal can burn up to 43 more calories than hot water alone. It may also reduce hunger and enhance satiety. Another spice in the ginger family, called grains of paradise, may also have similar effects. It increases the body's resting energy expenditure. However, these effects may vary among individuals, and further research is needed to fully understand their potential benefits. A little ginger in your tea or meals can go a long way. 6. Dark leafy greens. If you're still not sold on kale chips or spinach smoothies, the following fact might change your mind. According to research, dark leafy greens are crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism. This is due to their high content of magnesium and iron, 2 very important minerals. Magnesium is essential for every energy-producing chemical reaction in the body. On the other hand, iron helps carry oxygen to all your cells. Your cells utilize this oxygen to produce energy and support the function of various organs, including your brain and heart. To get the most out of your leafy greens, pair them with foods rich in vitamin C, tomatoes, lemon, or potatoes, which help optimize iron absorption. 7. Cocoa. Here's a good excuse to eat chocolate. Cocoa or cacao contains a slew of antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, which can help with inflammation. They boost metabolism by providing flavonoids that support metabolic actions and reduce hypertriglyceridemia. Dark chocolate and cocoa may also help reduce body weight, which can increase the risk of metabolic and cardiovascular disorders. However, more human studies are needed to draw strong conclusions. Raw cacao is recommended as processing reduces beneficial compounds and adds sugar and calories. 8. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are a functional food rich in protein, vitamins, and other essential nutrients that may boost metabolism and improve metabolic syndrome, a group of conditions contributing to diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular disease. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health is funding research into flax seeds' role in metabolic syndrome. Flax seeds contain fiber, protein, omega-3 fats, antioxidants, and other nutrients which ferment in the gut, improving the gut's bacterial profile. This process aids metabolic health and may protect against obesity. Flax seeds and their nutrients may also be used to treat or protect against various diseases, including arthritis, autoimmune diseases, cancer, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, neurological disorders, and osteoporosis. 9. Fruit, especially those high in vitamin C. Fruits are some of the best foods for metabolic health because they're teeming with antioxidants, the beneficial molecules that neutralize free radicals. An antioxidant-rich diet is key because free radicals are harmful compounds that, when present in high levels, cause oxidative stress, increase the risk of chronic disease, and shorten overall longevity. Most notably, certain fruits like oranges, grapefruits, kiwis, strawberries, pineapple, mango, guava, and papaya are rich in the powerful antioxidant vitamin C. And as mentioned before, vitamin C aids in the absorption of iron that's important for healthy metabolism. 10. Tea. Whether you prefer earthy matcha, Earl Grey, or spiced chai, drinking tea is an excellent way to aid your metabolism. Teas contain antioxidants called catechins. In addition to quelling oxidative stress and cellular damage, catechins help regulate blood pressure, boost your metabolism, and break down fats. Additionally, the caffeine in many teas will boost your energy, enabling you to burn more calories throughout the day. Green tea in particular is a great metabolism-boosting option. Other tips to boost metabolism. A healthy diet is crucial for regulating metabolism, and boosting metabolic function can be achieved through various methods. Drinking water daily can decrease body weight and BMI in overweight individuals, as water-induced thermogenesis increases metabolism. Getting enough sleep is essential for overall health, as a lack of it may contribute to obesity and diabetes, which are consequences of metabolic syndrome. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night, and aiming for consistent bed and wake times can improve sleep patterns. Strength and resistance training can help gain and retain muscle mass and burn fat. The physical activity guidelines for Americans recommend 2 or more days of strengthening exercises per week. A 2018 study on sedentary women found that resistance training increased the overall basal metabolic rate (BMR) for up to 48 hours. So there you have it, 10 superfoods that can help you increase your metabolism and keep your energy levels high. Remember, incorporating these foods into a balanced diet is key to reap their full benefits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips. Start adding these superfoods to your meals and watch your metabolism soar.